guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Minksbyv. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a day to night natural everyday look that can be a little bit of volume, a little pizzazz. I'm going to be working with a new type of cluster lashes today, and I'm so excited to show you guys. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Here are your video chapters, and without further ado, let's hop right in. Shout out to VEYES for sponsoring today's video. Today we're going to be going over their newest collection. I received both of these lashes, and the neat thing about these lashes is the actual band and the design. This is the bigger kit version, whereas this is the smaller kit version. We're going to do a quick product run through, everything that comes within these packages. So for the bigger kit, this is what comes inside of it. You get a ton of lashes. These will be considered the top lashes and more denser top lashes, whereas these will be considered their version of the bottom lash hairs. You receive an adhesive and you actually get a pair of tweezers. Then I'm going to show you up close. This is the new versions of their lashes. From this row here and here, those will be considered the top lashes, whereas these lashes here will be considered the bottom lashes. And then you have your bond and seal, and you receive a nice pair of tweezers. This is a more smaller version where you receive top hairs only, no bottom hairs. It comes with a remover, a bond and seal, and in addition to tweezers. I just want to go through and show, oh my gosh. So this bigger tray, I love this bigger tray already because it goes from a size 8 all the way up to a size 18. So we have so many more varieties of length choices for this, for that day to night look or that volume, natural volume, wispy look that you can wear every single day. This smaller tray goes from 10 to 16. Y'all ready for the fun part? Now we're going to take these out the actual tray. I'm just going to grab the biggest hair from this tray and pull it towards me. Oh, they lift up really, really good. So one of the things I want to highlight about this tray, I'm super excited to highlight this about the lash hair. So these hairs are super unique because they don't have a band on it. It's an invisible band for more seamless and easier application. You can stack these even more easier, and this is supposed to prevent poking. It sounds like we're gonna be layering like we did in the last one. This is going to make layering your lashes or stacking your lashes so much more easier, off the simple fact that this is an invisible band, and I am so excited about that. This is my first time seeing a tray with an invisible band like this. This is so cute. And then I'm going to pull the bottom hairs off as well. Okay, so y'all, these bottom hairs, let me show you. Okay, so they're so tiny. But these bottom hairs, they're giving anime, like so freaking cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's time for us to have some fun. Yeah, they don't have the different lengths laid out, but looking at these definitely look like they're underneath like sizes 8s, 9s, 10s. Definitely down on a lower spectrum. I'm going to mix and match from both. I really want to give like more drama with this look, so we're definitely going to go for that on the tops for sure. And you're going to brush your natural lashes to make sure everything is pointing in the right direction. I am doing the underneath technique, entails that you go from bottom to top and you're pushing up. So I'm combing and brushing my hairs in that direction so that nothing is pointing into my eyes and getting in the way. This is the bond and seal. So this will be considered the bond side. This will be considered the seal side. And I love how, again, they have the curved tool so that you can push up into your lashes and you don't have to comb into your natural lashes. We're going to go ahead and push this product up into our lashes, okay? So tilting your head, whatever is most comfortable for you. I am going to go ahead and work my way from the outside corner, and I'm going to push up like this. You see that? Just pushing up and focusing this product here. It's already dispersing a nice amount where it's not super, super dry and tacky feeling. So the liquid on this feels really, really nice. I'm going to make sure I'm using the highest point of the brush, and I'm going to keep going. As I go into the inside of my eye, I'm going to be sure that I focus on, make sure that tip does not hit my eyeball. I'm just pushing up. So this is going to be more of like an advanced styling. I'm going to use these hairs here. These are the more wispier hairs. All right, so when I picked up this hair, it looks like there's 2 pieces that came off with it. So this is how they look. Go underneath like a hook. Perfect. Yeah, so one thing, be very, very careful with how much adhesive that you're using, because this inside corners are already being a little bit bothersome. The second one is now on. All right, so, and I can see a difference already, which is really nice. So this curl is definitely more of a tighter curl. I can tell just the way that the tips are curling into this area of my lashes. So we have this one here and that one. I'm going to go ahead, and these both were 12, so I did not drop lower to a 10 on that. I could have, but I didn't drop lower to a 10 on that. If you want to keep your inner corners short, you definitely can keep your inner corners short. I'm going to work with this 14, and I'm taking the 14 above my iris, and I'm going to put it right in this section right there. These bands are so flexible. You really have to like make sure you have full-on control with the tweezers. I really like how flexible these bands are. I have my scissors here. So I'm going to cut right down the center of this hair. So this is how I split it in half. Now I cut it down the center. And I'm going to work with now just this 1/16 piece. I don't have so much room where I can use 2 of them. But I'm going to work with this 16 piece. And then I'm going to put it right now on this section of my eye. So going underneath, like I said, you cannot be putting this on and holding it like partially. Perfect. So now I got that 16 on there. And then the last length I'm going to use is this 18. I'm actually going to use the 18 from the bigger tray. So I'm going to take this 18 right here. Being able to show you guys with the size 18, I really want to be able to show you guys that. And these 18s have way more control. Perfect. Ooh. And you see how the density just switched up? Yeah. This looks really, really nice. So now we're going to get into layering these suckers. And we're going to go in with this right here. These lengths are so stinking cute. They have the wispier ones in an 8. So I'm definitely going to steal 1/8 from this tray. I'm going to take the 8 right here and pull this one off and stick this in my inside corners. Now, this is where you're going to actually just apply product to the actual cluster. So you're not going to put the cluster on your eye yet. You're going to put the product on first. So let me open this up real quick. Yes. Oh, that went on so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, the hair is definitely different for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this one on right above my iris, since now we're getting more into that 12 that's above this one. Yes. Yeah, see, now we're doing something. And like, if you have on a nail, you can also like push it up like this. This one again above the iris. These are definitely more bold. So now I'm going to put this last one on in the corner. Like I'm all in the mirror. Okay, so this is where I put that last 12 length underneath. This is cute. Tap this at the bottom. If you want to go like that, you can. See, I just brushed it through. You want to be careful that you don't brush your product through the tips of your hairs. It'll make it hard. You don't want that. These together. This band is literally invisible. It's undetected. I don't feel any poking. If anything, like, I did not set the bottom lashes with sealant. So because I didn't set the bottom lashes with sealant, that's why I'm like getting them like sticking a little bit towards the top, or like they're just tacky. So I just need to go ahead and run the sealant over the bottoms. But these are so cute, guys. Let me know what you think. This is definitely more on the drama. I think when you add bottoms, that's what takes it up a notch and makes it a little bit more dramatic. But yeah. Alright guys, that is it for today's tutorial. If you like the way that I did this lash design, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. So quick disclaimer, I've done so many wear tests for VeyesBeauty. Their bond and seal is immaculate. However way they formulated the lash sealant and the lash bond, I attest to it. I've been wearing this brand for the last 2 months now. I'm actively going to the gym. I'm always putting lashes on, always taking lashes off. I'm always doing something with clusters, something with my face, skincare routine. The lashes hold crying sessions with these lashes on. So if you're wanting to invest in quality DIY clusters, VEYES is the brand. I really like this new packaging, the way that they have put together this new collection. It's very, very pretty. And go ahead and create this look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if this is something that you'll rock, if this is your speed, if it's not. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!